How to retrieve your old job W-2 online.
Hey there! In this video, we'll be discussing how you can retrieve your old job W-2 online. If you've misplaced or lost your W-2 form from a previous job and need to access it for tax purposes, we'll guide you through the process step by step. So, let's get started.
Contact your former employer.
The first step in retrieving your old job W-2 online is to contact your former employer. Reach out to their Human Resources Department or the Payroll Department and inquire about the availability of your W-2 form. They will provide you with the necessary information on how to access it online.
Verify your identity.
To ensure the security of your personal information, your former employer may require you to verify your identity before granting you access to your W-2 form. Be prepared to provide them with certain details such as your full name, social security number, employee identification number, if applicable, date of birth, employment dates, any other information they may request to confirm your identity.
Online portal or payroll service provider.
Once your identity is verified, your former employer may direct you to an online portal or a payroll service provider where you can retrieve your W-2 form. These platforms often have dedicated sections for current and former employees to access their tax documents.
Log in or create an account.
To proceed further, you may need to log in to your existing account or create a new account on the online portal or payroll service provider's website. Follow the instructions provided, and if you're creating a new account, make sure to use the email address associated with your previous employment.
Access and download your W-2 form.
After logging in, navigate to the section specifically designated for tax documents. Look for options like tax forms, W-2 forms, or similar headings. Once you locate the appropriate section, you should be able to access and download your W-2 form. It is usually available in a PDF format that you can save to your computer or print if needed.
Seek additional assistance.
If you encounter any difficulties or have trouble retrieving your old job W-2 online, don't hesitate to seek additional assistance. Reach out to your former employer's Human Resources or Payroll Department again and explain the issue you're facing. They should be able to provide further guidance or troubleshoot any technical problems that may arise. That's it. By following these steps, you should be able to retrieve your old job W-2 online hassle-free. Remember, the key points are to contact your former employer, verify your identity, access the online portal or payroll service provider, log in or create an account, and finally, download your W-2 form. If you need any further help, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. Good luck, and I hope this video has been helpful to you.